you. No, waiting for you here at FWD. Muna-muna, no? Okay, yan na yung gusto natin. Okay? So we have 3 ways for you to earn. Sabi na ni Farah, you have to have multiple streams of income. Okay, so I'm going to discuss with you 3 ways to earn. Ayan. Okay, so yung unang-una, of course, the obvious is to sell. You know, I always say, hindi naman talaga, yeah, it's selling. Pero alam mo yun, isi-share mo siya sa lahat ng kakilala mo. When I say lahat ng kakilala mo, isi-share mo kung professional ko, that's selling. Okay, so how much will I earn if I do that? Gusto nyo malaman? Gusto nyo malaman? Yes! Okay. Sabi nila, so yan, no? So right now, so if you think about the prospects of video, baka mahal yan. Baka hindi kaya yan ng market ko. Okay, reality. May kakilala ba kayo na kaya mag-save ng at least, ayan ha, 3,000 pesos a month? May kakilala kayo, kaya mag-save 3,000 pesos a month? May kakilala kayo, raise your hand, raise your hand. Okay ba yan? Yung kaya mag-save, naisip nyo kaya nito 3,000 a month? Ba't marami, di ba? 3,000 a month, kaya mag-save. Okay? May kakilala kayong 10 na kaya mag-save 3,000 a month? Yes or no?
Yes.
20 people kaya mag-save ng 3,000 a month? Yes or no? Marami, di ba? And the list goes on. Okay? If may kakilala kayo na kaya mag-save 3,000 a month, then, may market kayo. May market kayo. Okay? And how much, no? Ano ba? Una-una, ano ba yung 3,000 a month na yan? Okay? We call it set for life. No? Set for life class. Ano yung coverage niya? Okay, siyempre kung 3,000 a month, more or less, that's 36,000 a year. Kasi, times 12 lang naman eh. Okay? So, anong benefits? Yung benefits, it already has a 1 million insurance coverage, 500,000 critical illness, yung sinasabi ko, emergency fund, 500,000 additional coverage, and more or less a retirement savings of 2 million. Okay? So, how much ang komisyon sa 36,000 na babayaran niya? Okay? Gusto yung malaman ito siya. More or less, it's 50,480. Ano pala? Yes. I'll give you, here at FWD, we will reveal to you this business proposition. Maraming karaan sa inyo. Okay, more or less, the commission rates here is around 30 to 40%. And we're just talking about a 30-year-old. Of course, kapag medyo mas advanced at age, syempre mas mahal ng premiums. That's only for 1 million coverage. What if 2 million? What if 3 million? Ito, Jonas, what if 100,000 of premium? That's 30,000. Agad, isang ano lang? Isang benta lang? Yes. Yes. That's how it is. Now, ito, minimum lang muna, no? 50,480. Now, what do we do? Sabi ni Farah, ilang kaya pinag-atin kung na-capture nyo? How many times magpasweldo si FWD? Tinaman. Every week. As a matter of fact, every Friday. Kaya tawag namin is TGIF, that is Friday. May sweldo. Tapos may benta. Okay, kapag may sale, may sweldo is released every Friday. Kaya we encourage everyone every week. One lang. Parang may sweldo ka every Friday. Can you imagine? Justice ha, very minimum yan. Very minimum yan. Okay, meron ka 50,480 a week. Ilan yan a month? Magkano yan a month? 61,920 a month. Happy kayo? Is that a good income? Entry-level income? Is that good enough? Okay, if yes, palakpak kayo if yes. Meron bang trabaho na nagbibigay ng entry-level lang 61,920? Meron na ba? Meron ba yung work? Gano'n? will be your income. Okay? Now, ito yung sinasabi ng use your time wisely. Because diba, as a business person, use your time. Kaya sa sinasabi namin, mostly tayo as employee, diba? Kasi nag-overtime. Siyempre, pag overtime, yung overtime pay, diba? Sometimes, actually, as a business person, minsan sayang kasi yung overtime pay na 3 hours, masyadong mababa. So, potential na kikitain ko. Pag ginamit ko yung 3 hours na yun, na nag-sell ako. You get me? Oh, look at this, ha? Annually, of course, it's 743. Now, here at FWD, hulaan ninyo, ilang times ang bonus in a year? Make a wild guess. Make a wild guess. Ilang times ang bonus na year? 1, 2, 2, mas mataas sa 2, 4 times a year, 5, okay, mas mataas ka sa 5, parang hindi lang. Mas mataas ka sa 5, okay. Here at FWD, the bonus is monthly. Okay, pala pa kayo minsan monthly bonus, weekly commissions, monthly bonus. Okay, so 12 times a year. Pag may benta. Okay, let's clear that, ha? Pag may benta, and if meron ka 4 na benta in sale in 1 month, kasi weekly ka, for sure may bonus ka in a month. And how much is your bonus? More or less than a bonus mo. And how much will be your income in 1 year? More or less, it's 1 million pesos. You get me? More or less, it's 1 million pesos. Entry level. Okay na ba yan sa inyo? Entry level, 1M. Entry level. Okay ba? May trabaho ba na 1M entry level? Meron ba entry level kayo? Wala. Okay, here. Then at the time. We're very transparent as mentioned to you. That's selling. Okay? Sino nagsasabi dito, gusto ko pa more income, raise your hand, more income. So, mas mataas pa siya, mas mataas pa sa 1M. Sino? Okay, ayan. Alright. Paano? Of course, obviously, dagdagan mo lang. Diba? Dagdagan mo. Okay, why? Because, for example, imbis na 1, gawin mo sometimes 2 or 3 a week. So that's 10 policies. Okay? In 1 year, your income will be 2.5. You know paano mangyari yan? If you do full-time. If you do full-time, you can actually sell 10 policies a week. A month. And your income will more or less be 2.5 million, including the bonuses. Ayan. Of course, sa mga employed, we're saying, ano lang muna, try this. You have nothing to lose, try this. Do this first part-time. And then later, you can do this full-time. And I will tell you it's worth it. Okay? So that's selling. Ano yung next? Recruit. Or invite again. Invite someone here. You know why? Ito siya. At FWD, okay, you will receive how many percent? 10% overriding commission for the next ilang years? Hulaan nyo. 10 years. Correct. For the next 10 years, may override commission ka. Ayan, not 10%. So, for example lang, yung in-invite mo are selling 4 policies a month. More or less, yun na naman sa 743. Ayan. For 10 years kasi yan eh. So, you will receive, okay, 74,000. Okay, overrides for 1 person only. Yan ang sinasabi ni Farah. Ang recruitment, parang nag-open ng shop ng tindahan. Ilang tindahan ang gusto mong open? Isa lang. Ilan? 2 lang. Ilan gusto ng tindahan ang open kayo? Ang nag-open sa inyo? Ilan? Madami? Ilan yung madami? 100. Correct. 120. Correct. ninyo, as long as pushing for the product, bukas ang tindahan at wala kang operating expense, walang limit. Can you see, if you have any recruits, walang limit yan. Sa simula, ay isa naman recruit ko, 2, 3, 4, mahina. Can you imagine, after 3 years, ilan yan? If you have 1 lab per month, that's 12 a year, di ba? Next year, with 12 a year, ilan na yun? 24 na. In 3 years, 36 na. In other words, the income is unlimited. And if marami na yan sa team, this is my suggestion. Do this full time and be a manager. Because here at FWD, you can actually promote yourself. Sa work, kailan ka mapopromote sa work? Kailan ka? Sa traditional work, kailan ka mapopromote? Either yung manager mo nag-resign, or kinuha ni Lord, or naglipat ng trabaho. Other than that, you cannot be that. But here at FW, you can promote yourself. Why? Why do you want to become a manager? Okay, here's why. Your override as a manager will be 25% already, not just 10%. Why? This is the logic. FWD pays you 10% to recruit. And you know, I know Marisa personally. I know her personally, and most of you, will be under the unit of Marisa. And she's a very hard-working manager. You get me? Ito yung challenge ko sa inyo. Right now, gamitin ninyo siya. Gamitin niyo? Gamitin ninyo siya. Gamitin ninyo si Marisa. Mag-recruit kayo. And use her expertise to manage your recruit. You get me? Use her expertise to manage your recruit. That's why she's getting 15% because she's managing your recruit. And once you decide to become a manager, for example, si Joanne, right? Jonah decides to become a manager. Why? Nakita niya yung goal ng pagiging manager. Diba? Kasi marami na yung team. Lumaki na rin yung benta nila. Nakita niya yung goal ng pagiging manager. Jonah will not be starting from scratch. Most managers here, like my wife, they started from scratch. You will not start from scratch. Why? Kasi nagre-recruit ka. At hinahayaan mo si Marisa, as I call it, use her to manage your team and let that team be productive under her. By the time na you hit your goal, ready na yung team mo, it will turn over na lang Marisa yan sa'yo. May team ka na sustainable. You get me? Okay? Kasi marami na yan and it's sustainable already. And your work right now, nakalimutan mo na yan. You do this full-time already with a team already that has sustainable income. What will happen? You will not just receive 10%. You'll receive 25% income. Okay, palakpakan mo na sa sarili nyo kung gusto nyo yun. Diba? That's 25% income. Siyempre, when that time comes, kayo na mag-manage doon. Diba? But while starting, use, I suggest, recruit kayo ng marami. Use the expertise of Marisa and use the expertise of our system. Here in 6070 of Lainay, we have a proven system already. Your work is to simply recruit. And of course, to sell para meron din kayong income sa pinili. Okay ba yun? Is that a good proposition? Yes. Okay, kasi sabi ko, huwag mag-resign muna. Ipon muna. And after 6, 7, 8 months, go. Ayan. Okay, so more or less, these are the, that will be your target income as we progress. And here at FWD, ano yung maganda dito? Ito yung mga conditions to be promoted. Ang maganda kay FWD, once you hit those goals, no one can stop you from being promoted. Not even I. Not even 16, 17 mabuhay, not even Farah. Because in FWD, once you hit the numbers, you will be promoted. Ang magsastart lang na mag-promote ay ikaw. Kung ayaw mo pa, i-respect ka. But once you hit your goal, you can be promoted on your own. You get me? And what will happen to Nerissa? Nerissa will be promoted as well. Bakit? Hindi na-promoted. She will be promoted as well. Why? Because our goal here in Iloilo is for FWM Nerissa to be the first FWD branch manager in Iloilo. We will establish our first branch of FWD here in Iloilo, and you will be the first team here in Iloilo. You know what? Just by saying that, hindi sa excitement. Because I can see the opportunity in each and every one here. If you just join us, and you will see the opportunity that's awaiting for each and every one of you. Amen? Alright. Okay. Yeah, no? So, there's free travel, kapakita ko mamaya, no? But some of you might think, paano yung, pag nag-full-time ako, paano yung mga HMO coverage ko? Paano yung retirement income ko? Retirement ko, di ba, benefits? Let me tell you, at FWD, we have an HMO coverage. We have retirement benefits as well. Of course, ikatumbas ng production yan. But we have that as well. And if you're doing this full-time, and if you're hitting it a full-time numbers, then you will have that for free. Benefits are loaded as well. Okay ba yun? Yes. Okay. These are the tricks. Okay. Hindi na-excite ko ka dito sa Boracay, syempre kasi 5 hours away. Okay. Yeah, there's Boracay, this is the first. And we have Osaka. Ito yung mga travels this year. Okay? Yan yung mga travels. Which, if yan yung mga promos this year, yan ang pupuntahan natin next year. So I just want to show you a sample of a free travel. When I say free, hindi lang siya free travel. First class accommodation with hotels. And if you're qualified, you can even bring your family. Okay? Something that hindi mo gagastusin on your own. Okay, are you excited? Yes. Yan, okay. As mentioned, no, you won't be joining an ordinary agency. You will be joining, okay, a top agency with full support. And I'll tell you, you will also be joining a unit with an expert manager in Nerissa. Because I know her personally. Okay, these are the exclusive support. Okay, number 1. Ayan. Okay. I-fast forward ko na lang yan. We have 3 departments under 1670 Mabuhay AMR. Number 1, we have the RED. That's the Recruitment Express Department. Nakita niyo yung nagpaparegister doon si Don, if you met him. That's our Recruitment Express Department. What will happen? Siyempre, ang first na gagawin dito is for you to pass the IC exam. Tama? Siyempre, wala kayong idea sa insurance. Bumagsak ako. Tama, di ba? Bumagsak ako sa IC exam. So, meron tayong control dyan. Ano yun? We will give you our own IC mock exam. This is our own reviewer here at 1670 Mabuhay AMR. That if you hit that certain score, we will guarantee you that you will pass. Gusto niyo ba yun? Pero you have to take the IC mock exam. Jonas, ilang beses tinitake yung IC mock exam ng RED? Just take it. paulit-ulit, kahit 100 times. Ang point is, you have to get it right. Okay ba yun? Pag-practicean nyo na yung IC mock exam namin. Libre naman yan, at kahit paulit-ulit mo lang yung gawin, okay lang yan. Okay? Now, once you hit the score, eto siya, we will sponsor your IC exam. Kasi mataas na yung grade mo eh. And we're confident that you're going to pass. Okay ba yun? So, free IC exam. Kasi may bayad yan. But only at 16-17 mabuhay in Iraqi, we will give that to you for free. And we will be the one to register the IC exam. Kami na rin mag-register for you. Our department will register for you. Okay yun? Pag may available. Okay ba yun? Ayan. And then of course, na-register. Anong role ninyo pag na-register niya sa exam? Anong rule number 1? Show up. Okay, show up. So dapat mag-show up lang. Okay lang? Okay. And then next, we will process until coding. And once you're coded, of course, may mga training that you have to attend. And you will be activated. Okay? We will help you activate, or you can be activated yourself. As a matter of fact, magaling magpa-activate din si Miss Teresa. She has a system as well. So you just follow her. And she will help you be activated. Okay ba yun? And once you hit at least 25,000 in premium collection, okay, we will turn over you to Meta. Ano yung Meta? This is the Mabuhay Elite Training Academy, which I will be heading. And dito sa Mabuhay Elite Academy, labas ko na lahat, we will give you sustainability programs. We will be giving you all the programs para matuto kayo. And this is for free. Some of the programs here are even paid. We will sponsor that. Okay? Pero of course, may qualification. Ayan. Okay? Why? Because we want you to be professional. Okay ba yun? Okay. O yan. And then of course, over and on top of that, we are giving, on top of FWB promo, 60-70 Mabuhay Iraqi will be giving you exclusive promos on top of FWB. Gusto niyo ba yun? Ayan. If you join us. Okay, that's why I'm telling you, you're not just joining an ordinary agency. Alright, so to tell you more about this, I'd like to call on, okay, ito naman, this is the fastest branch manager, growing branch manager in Visayas, all the way from Cebu, from 60-70 Mabuhay. Let us give a warm applause to Mr. Yo Mendoza. Palakpakan natin.
Thank you, Sir Jonas, and good morning, everyone. We always say good morning on the stage, but I say good morning yan yung meeting yan. And first of all, forgive me po, dahil kami mga Bisaya, matigas yung dila namin sa salita ng Tagalog. So, you know, that's what we get a lot from Bisaya, matigas yung dila. It was 30 years ago that I first came here in as an educational tour sa Secondary School for Boys. Kasi I came from an exclusive school, all boys. So, dito pagpunta ko dito sa Iloilo, sabi ko sa sarili ko, when I heard yung Ilonggo speaking, I told myself na balang araw mag-aasawa ko ng Ilongga. So, napakalambing, hindi nabubwisit yung araw ko pag nakinig ko ng salita ng sa taga-Iloilo. So, I am here right now. Wala talaga akong preparedness guys because I want to share with you my journey, my life, love life, hindi kasama love life pa. So, yung journey ko on how I became an FWD Financial Wealth Branch Manager. It was hindi yung easy journey ko. Okay, single dad. I'm a single dad. Single dad for almost more than 2 years now. So this is my biggest why. I have 3 children, and my eldest is already 23 years old. 23. Yung second ko, Sam, she's 21. She's diagnosed with autistic siya. Youngest ko, 15 years old, si Basti, my only boy. So alam niyo naman, pag iwala yung pamilya, mahirap din. Co-parenting. Well, my ex-wife right now, we're in good terms naman. Thank God for that. Pero ang hirap sa co-parenting, lalo na ikaw yung breadwinner, 100% lahat sa aking gastos. So I really feel right now na hand-to-mouth ako, kung kinikita ko, ginagastos ko lang sa, my eldest daughter right now is already taking up medicine. Maglo-doctor na siya. So it is really important for me na makatapos sila lahat. It's my best gift to them. Education. Kasi yung dad nila, yung Mendoza, never finished college. I'm an undergrad. So hindi ako basta-basta lang nakapasok. Nagkahit na ng trabaho. Well, proof to that, ever since college level na lang tayo, I've been hustling already. Lahat binibenta ko, yung pamilya lang hindi. So, I tried everything. Kasi dito, I tried even multi-level marketing and networking, I tried it lahat para lang kumita. So, ganito po si Don Mendoza, pag may represent ng kliyente, kahit nasa barbershop, nasa parlor, hinahabol ko. So, that's part of my being a financial advisor. So, balik tayo sa, I started on 2019. May 2019, yung Mendoza started with FWD. This is my first insurance company. I have no insurance background. I have no experience. I don't even know the products, the insurance products when I started because I was just invited like you. Inibita lang ako din sa brother ko. Sabi niya na, I need you to join my team so that increase na yung manpower niya. So, because I never believed in insurance, I found myself to be underinsured back in 2019. So, the first thing that I did when I got voted, sinabi ko sa sarili ko, kulang ako ng insurance, I'm a breadwinner, tatlo yung anak ko. So, why not I purchase insurance for myself? Then I realized to purchase insurance for myself, as I'm as an agent, bumalik yung 40% sa akin. Kasi commission, bumalik sa wow, ang mura lang pala ng insurance. Dahil nga sa commission, kaya siya medyo mataas yung presyo. Kasi the insurance companies reward their agents really well because they know it's a very difficult industry to be in. Because it's not difficult kasi walang need, it's difficult kasi maraming insurance companies dito sa Pilipinas and tapos napakaraming insurance agents. So your goal here is to be the insurance of choice. 1670 Mabuhay saw that one already. We are an extraordinary insurance agency. Then we will breed extraordinary insurance agents and leaders. Because it is what we saw as businessmen. Kasi ako, before insurance industry, I'm a multiple business owner. Multiple business owner. So, nag-try kami ng franchise ng 7-Eleven. Sa Cebu, meron tayong tatlo. I won't say na dumaan kami sa poverty. Comfortable yung life namin. Pero not that rich. Comfortable lang. So we were, kasi yung 7-Eleven, may partners tayo. Hindi na sa akin yan. Yung brothers ko, yung kaibigan ko. So we put up 7-Eleven. I've been tried franchising Potato Corner, Belgian Waffle, Thirsty. I entered into trading business. I have also export business. Naging contractor din. Private contractor, hindi government. So I have decades of experience in business. And for the first time in 2019, I realized na ito palang insurance business na ito, we can actually nurture, guide, and make people become millionaires. Kasi sa lahat ng business ko na minention sa inyo, yung kami lang ang pina-asenso, yung mga workers natin, workers na sila. But here in this industry, register with 1670 Mabuhay, we can actually make millionaires out of you guys. So that is what we call legacy building. You will never see 1670 Mabuhay na may membro sa Apelito because we need the agency to be everyone's legacy. So dito na yung part namin. No? So this is me. So join 1670 Mabuhay, may libreng keychain. Wala kasama yung budget. Hinahilin ko lang yan. Okay? So this is my brother's car actually. I would say na he was able to purchase this car kasi 7 years kami sa industry. Itong Land Cruiser niya, after 7 years pa niya na-purchase. Hindi naman instant because there's no shortcut in insurance industry. So myself, I drive a Lexus. So before insurance industry, I drive a Fortuner. Fortuner is a decent car. But after 7 years, naging Lexus siya because of FWD insurance. Pag DPWD contractor ako, hindi yan Lexus, payong yan na may kasamang Rolls Royce. Pero insurance tayo, so Lexus is okay. And my brother drives an LC300. So that's because of insurance. But it doesn't mean we ride a tricycle before that. No, my brother drives also a Fortuner. But like I said, this is a journey. It's never easy, no? It's never easy, no? So next slide. So because of insurance also, kasi I transitioned from export furniture, from yung construction business ko, I retired from all of those. Even the other between 7-Eleven na wala na. Kasi yung franchise ng 7-Eleven, pangit. Kayo magpatrabaho para lalaki yung 7-Eleven, wala silang protection na binigay. So, take it from me, we had 3, and we closed down 3. No? So, franchise wala. In this, yung FWD business, insurance business, parang wala itong puhunan. When I entered this, yung puhunan ko is Lawaya. So, time, sinabi ni Mong Farah, time, pwede siyang part-time. Ginawa ko yung pang 2019. Nag-part-time ako kasi meron pa yung other businesses ko. Sa part-time ko, for the first 6 months, yung I bought myself insurance policy, sabi ko sa sarili ko, yung principal nito, yung natira na less 40% yung principal, yung hindi na commission, babawinin ko through mag-share ako sa klase ko. Sabi ko sa kanya, "Uy, sir, bili ka nito kasi I have this one." Nag-show and tell lang ako hanggang mabawi yung natirang insurance cost ko sa sarili ko because my goal is to make my insurance for free this year. So it was never my plan to be an insurance agent. But, you know, yung universe pala, meron na silang sariling plano para sa atin. We think we know, but we don't know. So from May 2019 to December 2019, when I looked at my bank account, yung income statement ko, sa pag-share ko lang, 2.4 million in first 6 months earning ko. No insurance background, no experience, isang undergrad pa. What can you say about that? Kaya ba natin? Kaya ba natin? Can you say the same thing? Do you see myself in you na walang experience pa nito? No? So, ito yung anak ko, panganay. Kaya I showed the picture because when she decided to go into BS Biology, nasa insurance industry na ako, her tuition fee is around 150,000 per year at that time, biology. So it was FWD who paid, because of FWD earning ko, I was able to make her graduate BS Biology, 150,000 per year. Yan. Ano nangyari ngayon? Nag-proceed siya ng medicine. Yung 150,000 per year, ngayon naging percent na siya. Naging percent na siya. Of course, I'm not like siya. Gusto ko rin na maging doktor siya. As a father, proud ako na maging doktor yung anak ko. So, I will definitely support that. But pag mawala sa FWD sa akin, wala akong, hindi na ako alam, wala akong plan B. Ito na talaga yung main line ko. From part-time, it became my full-time. Ang hindi lang pwede sa business na ito is no time. Pag wala kayong time, the door's always open. Wala naman pilitan ito. hindi naman kami, you don't have a gun pointed at your heads right now. Pag umuwi kayo, said, ay, hindi na ako, okay lang. Okay lang. Okay lang sa amin na hindi ma-feel na mag-room nito. Ay, importante lahat kayo you will hear our story and hopefully you will join our family. So, you're the most important people in this room right now, actually. Okay, thank you. And, so, medicine siya. So, na doctor, I have to support 150,000%. Tapos yung special child ko naman, she's actually ongoing therapy niya. She's 18,000 pesos per month sa akin. So, OT, special school, neurodevelopmental, nag-add up yan. So, yung youngest ko, siya pa rin nandun pa sa grade 9 pa siya. So, all of them, single dad, supported by me. My income derives from FWD only right now. So, this is my biggest why. I use FWD trips and incentives to bring each of my children alternate yan. Kasi FWD gives out promos and incentives. So instead of me spending my own money, my hard-earned commissions in travel with my children, dinadala ko yung mga children ko sa ito yung first travel namin ng anak ko, yung youngest ko. Sa China kami, pumunta ito sa very memorable experience, and I made it a point already a mission na pag may trips ng FWD, ito qualify ko talaga ng 2 seats. So next year, this year, I already qualified for 2 seats ako sa Asian Cruise. So yung Asian Cruise, hindi naman masyadong mabata yan. So I just gave the other seat to my brother para masama niya kasi transferable yung second seat. So I also qualified already Osaka 2 seats next year. Turkey, Istanbul, I qualified 2 seats already. Barcelona, I qualified 1 seat Barcelona for next year. So lahat yan are for free on top of the commissions. And what I'm just doing right now, and when I got those, is just by sharing ko. Parang storytelling lang. So, as Ma'am Farah also mentioned, from me being a financial planner lang of 2019, I grew my team and inspired others. I grew my team to 180 already manpower as a branch manager. Pero yung sa 180, parang nag-active na, it's only around 20, 25. Okay lang. Wala talagang pilihan. It's actually kung ano yung nasa puso ninyo, kung ano yung talagang gusto niyo income, you sell. If you want to sustain it and grow, you recruit and manage. So this is a business. Unlike this is a business actually. Ito yung na-learn ko rin. A job pays the bills. Business pays for lifestyle. And I've also learned na kahit may business tayo na 7-Eleven, potato corner, 7-Eleven dictates my time. Na dapat nandun ako sa store, mag-open up na, yung cashier, mabalas na, at the end of the day, punta ulit doon. So they dictate my time. Para na rin akong boss na hindi ako boss. So here in FWD, I dictate my time. Kakadating ko lang galing Pangasinan because I have a team there. 2 weeks ako doon. This is also one of the first days single pa. I can stay there 2 weeks na kahit ako lang isa. Enjoy para ako nag-retreat. I ride the tricycle every day. Papunta sa team ko na mag-operate sila doon. Sell insurance. Tapos from Pangasinan, I flew from Pangasinan to here in Iloilo. So I enjoy leisure and travel on my own time with FWD. Because the most important thing also here is for you to be happy. Ako happy ako ngayon in what I do. And I'm also earning. If you look at the income statement ngayon, parang 2 pesos na pwede ibili nun, pero okay lang. Kasi akin yun eh. And I want it for you. Do you want that?
Yes.
Simple lang. So, next slide please. Ano po yung next slide? Mas gusto ko ito kasi raw and natural sharing. So, okay na yung slides natin, no? So, here in 1670 Mabuhay, minention ni Ma'am Farah and Sir Jonas na it's unlike any other agency in the Philippines. because we believe in, this is legacy building. Walang insurance agency dito sa Pilipinas na maglilibre ng exam fee. Kasi they will always say na pag interesado yung tao, dapat sila yung puhunan. No, we live by this, we live by our rules na dapat yung tao, pag narinig na yung ano sinabi namin, we will help you out. And by helping, the first step is, dapat wala kayong puhunan. No? All you need to do is just to make the effort, to commit yourself, and to give this a shot. Because wala mawawala sa inyo. So, again, before I give back meron ba kayong questions? Meron ba kayong questions? Kaya this is a raw question and answer portion din. Interactive. Meron ba kayong questions na gusto itanong? So, I will answer to you wholeheartedly and the truth. Wala akong bullshit po ngayong gabi. Very truthful. Okay, mag-social experiment na lang tayo. Sino may lakas na loob dito sa contest nito? Sa table na yan. Mas gusto ko yung mas malayo. Come here in front, beside me, and bring me a 20 peso coin. Bring me a 20 peso coin. This is a social experiment. Sino maglakas ng loob na tumagi ni Yong Mendoza? From Cebu, Bisaya. I only need one. I prefer sa likod kasi mas effort sa likod yung lapel. Mas mahirap siya galing sa likod kasi rarampa ka. Dapat rampa ka pag ganun na. Sir, ganun na, sir. Palagpagay natin, sir. Nagkakawinis pa. Ganun sir, yung single dog. Okay. Wednesday. Tawagan mo yung Wednesday, sir. Sir, Ilonggo ka? Ilonggo, saya. Kaya pag Ilonggo ka, sir, introduce yourself.
Mayong hapon sa tanan. Ako si Roberto Romano. In short, ko, bird lang.
Bird.
So actually, I'm retired. Hindi na retired.
Retired. How old are you, sir? How young are you?
Almost 74.
Oh, you look young, huh? For 74.
DXN.
Huh?
DXN.
Burger. Anong luta mo, sir? Ano ba sikreto mo? DC City, DC
So, sino nag-invite sa'yo?
Sino
po nag-invite sa'yo, sir?
Si Ma'am Nerissa.
Oh! Ma'am Nerissa! Congratulations po. Bert? Bert. Sir Bert. Ilan anak?
Dalawa.
Ilan asawa? Dalawa? Honest. Gusto mo maging tatlo yan? Are you ready? Hindi ba? So, Sir Bert, what can you say about this meeting right now, presentation?
Actually, as a retired person now, I realize na after sa retirement mo, supposedly you will not stop eating, you will not stop feeding somebody. Pero kung wala kang income, tungkol na retirement ko is not enough. It's not really enough. So, hopefully, kasi as I can see, makatapang, makabulim sa ako.
So, Sir Bert, are you ready to become a millionaire in 1670 Magway or nothing?
Yes.
Okay. Yung social experiment natin is Sir Bert, tumayog siya, naglakad siya, yan yung effort. Nagdala siya ng 20 peso coin. Supposedly, yan yung puhunan, yan yung exam fee lang. Di ba? Nag-effort siya, pumunta siya dito, medyo magkapala yung mukha niya, nagkasulog. So, Sir Bert, tapos, into this business and you believe that you can be successful. Do you believe it?
Yes.
So,
Definitely, I agree.
saan yung 20 pesos mo?
OFW.
Do you, ito yung puhunan mo. Do you believe that 20 pesos can become 1,000 pesos in this business?
Yes.
O, dinanip ka sa bulsa niya kasi sabi ko walang puhunan ito sa'yo yan. Do you believe that 20 pesos mo magiging 1,000 yan?
Yes.
Okay, thank you so much, Sir Bert, for believing. Naging 1,000 ang pesos. Thank you. Sir, thank you, sir. Galing ang social experiment mo. Galing lang yan. Ganito tayo sa 1670 mabuhay. Thank you so much, everyone, and welcome to 1670 mabuhay.
Thank you, thank you. Ayan. So guys, are you going to join us? 1670 mabuhay? Yes! Okay. Sige, next step. Ito, last slides ko na to. Okay, next steps natin. Number 1 is you sign up with Greg, with our Recruitment Express. If you're interested, senior will tell you how, or your recruiter will tell you how. So sign up with the Red Express, pass our mock exam as mentioned, and Recruitment Express will schedule your insurance commission exam free and IC exam free. Alright, so let me close this. Okay, tayo po tayo. Let me close with our, this is